Clark's place. We're at Hanksters Hot Rods and Muscle Cars. So we're gonna go in here if they'll let us film and see some cars. That's Brian. We bought some parts from him today. So we'll see what we can see in here.
It was a light green. You don't got any connection with any Mopar guys up here, do you? Like the car was bought out of Fernandina Beach.
No, not really to like research or to figure anything out.
Yeah.
As far as connections go, we know the guy Brian from Brian's Classic Mopar Parts, and I bought a ton of stuff from him over the years. But he's not going to know any heritage of any vehicle.
I know who owned it. But the guy bought it from a neighbor, like a flip, Yeah. And I said, well, let me contact.
Well, let's put your picture on the film. Let's show your car, so people can know what Brian's car looks like. Looking good. I like it. So it is a 68.
Yeah.
That's why you have all these 68 parts we're buying.
Yeah.
Well, these look like old originals. Oh, sold. So this is a dealership too. You come in, you can buy any of these cars.
Yeah. He's got a branch in Pennsylvania too.
That's so cool.
You see the way the floor is tilted for skating?
Yeah, it gives me a woozy. Don't come in here and drink. You'll be falling all over the cars. I see it kind of ramps up. The thing comes up here and then you go down into the turn there.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, Pops is having sprinkler work done and pool work done, and I guess he offered for the guys to use our excavator. Boy, this is a nice GTO. Pretty color. That's tough to beat right there.
Nice blue.
What year is it? 68?
70. 68, the body's changed.
64 grand. All right, so any of these cars you see that you're curious about, I could go and read prices and all that, but I'm not going to do that. This a Shelby? Or just a painted up fastback? Oh, it's a coupe. I thought by the stripes that it was 39,000.
Decent prices too.
Ford 9 Posi, 68 Ford Mustang, 229 small block Ford V8. What is this? A gold Ivy? I forget what that Ford color's called. I think it's an Ivy green metallic. That's pretty. $69. So what wheels do you have on your car? You've got the poverty caps on there?
No, I'm drawing a blank.
Because Dodge had their, I think that's what Dad's putting on his Daytona, is a wheel like that takes a center that's just plain.
I don't know why I'm drawing a blank.
I'm putting on the spot. Yeah, show me the wheels on your car. And I can't get you to go to 22s, huh? You're not gonna do 22s? Put the big 22-inch black wheels on that 68 Charger? Oh, those look great. Magnum. Magnum's the word that you're looking for.
Yeah.
It looks like you have a stripe on there. That would be a cool stripe on your car.
Nothing.
Very neat. Let's see what they get for a bug. 57.9. I've never been a bug guy. There's people that are flat out crazy for them, and I've never cared. I've always liked these. That's cool. Dad had a 71 Ram Air in Grabber Lime. No, Grabber Lime's a Dodge color, isn't it? Oh, we got Blues Brothers on stage?
Yeah.
That's cool. I thought when you said Hanksters, blah, 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 I thought it was going to be like a swap meet type of thing. So you come up here and car shop.
Yeah. Well, my car was being worked on in Titusville, so I just head on from Titusville, you know, and take a walk, buy a shirt, go home, you know.
Yep. That's what I'm going to do.
But I originally spotted a Charger here about 3 years ago.
I got to see if this is 289 small block Ford Mustang GT 350. So that is a Shelby GT 350. I think it's Shelby.
Wrong 68.
There's no just regular GT 350 from Ford, is there? They're all Shelby.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's see if it's got a glove box signed by Carol Shelby. I don't see it.
289 in it.
Yeah, they're like yeah, it just says GT. That's the question. All right, somebody on YouTube watching, tell me, did Ford put out a GT 350 or is it only Shelby's? I don't see anything Shelby on it. Maybe Ford put out a GT 350. I don't know. Dad had one of these in what, 1998, 1991, 95. It's got that flare side. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember any of the trucks back in the day with those flare sides like that.
Yeah.
Unless they were dualies.
It's nice.
50 grand for a decked out Bronco. Oh, you like this one, huh? Uh-oh.
My daughter probably wants it. A little small for me.
They put the most massive hood scoop on a Bronco that's ever been done.
Yeah.
Looks good though. Painted nice. That one's my favorite so far. 52 grand. I like the red wheels. I saw some red wheels in Moultrie this past, and they were like, I bought my whole set with tires and everything for $450 or $400, and they wanted like $3,500 for just red wheels just like that. And I'm like, if it would have matched my red perfectly, it would have been great, but it's got a battery tender with it. It's got a battery tender with it. Oh my, we got to get that.
That'll seal the deal.
That's a deal right there. That'll deal break. It doesn't come with a battery tender? Sorry, I don't want it. That's good looking. 39,000 for 70 Ford Mustang convertible, 302.
I think the price is pretty good here.
Yeah, I've not seen anything totally outlandish. How much was that bus back there? I didn't look at that. That's kind of a special one. It's a truck bus. Still $49,900. What do you say, Pop? See anything you gotta have?
We'll take them off. So does one of you owns all these, or someone finds?
You might have to ask him. There may be some consignment in here. $24,900 for a big old Suburban. What year? 1990s?
87 here.
Oh, 87. It's an early one. It's a GTA though. I just had a 91 Firebird when I was a youngster.
I had a 76 Trans Am.
Did he?
Firethorn red, it was a beauty.
Yeah. Okay, we've made one lap at the skating rink. Let's see what's in the middle here. Ram. What is it, 70s GTO?
68 or 70.
Is it?
All three, is it? Let's see. See that.
68 right here, yeah. You're right. I like that nose just because it feels reminiscent of the 69 Charger, that is. And you know, I had a 70 Cougar that had that centerpiece. I must be attracted to that.
69, you got vacuum
I gave all that stuff to Pops to experiment with to maybe get his Daytona headlight doors to go, but he bought a electric conversion to take them up, but it stripped out one of the gears trying to lift that heavy headlight. How much does that headlight bezel weigh in a Daytona, Pop?
I don't know.
5 pounds?
More than slice the
55.9.
I converted mine. I didn't do that. All that vacuum stuff was torn out of mine.
It was all factory in mine, but I'm like, I'm not gonna have a padiddle going down the highway that one of them.
Oops.
set. Pretty cool car.
Yeah, Challenger's great.
Yeah.
I think it was 50 grand,
Yeah.
but it's 70. That's cool. Was it 55.9? Yeah.
Nice.
Did I ever put this flip top gas cap on mine, or did I have the little twist-in kind? I don't remember it. Old taillights. What'd you have to spend on 68 taillights and taillight bezels for yours?
I reused my old. My old was okay.
Did you really? Because this looks like original 70 taillights.
And I even bought a set off the website in case somebody rear ends me one day, you know, or pop.
Yeah.
It's kind of a crusty set, but I got it in the garage.
Yeah.
You never know; it'll be hard to find when I need it.
Yep. There's a couple guys that bought some hoods and stuff from us that were just garbage, but he's like, I got body guys that can fix that stuff. And he's like, if I wreck my 70, I want to have a spare hood.
Yeah.
And he bought like a trash hood that was full of rust for like $1,000 from us. Yeah.
I sold my hood for $300 from a kid up this way.
Oh, no kidding?
His name's Kyle. But mine just had a little divot in the middle where they shut it down on the air cleaner.
Oh, yeah.
And my guy said, "Oh, I can't pay. I'll spend more money in labor." I said, "All right, buy a hood."
Okay.
$1,200. AMD.
Yeah, I've spent probably $15,000-$16,000 for the AMD getting all new metal for my car. Yeah, it's crazy. And then they shipped me my quarters and smashed both of them with forklift.
Oh.
And they're like, "Oh, it happened in transit. We can't do anything about that."
What?
Yeah, no discount, no nothing. So I had to body work my brand new quarters. I had to body work like crazy.
I didn't think a big company would treat you like that. Wow.
You have a great shop. Anything you want to say for the video?
Welcome to Hanksters.
Welcome to Hanksters.
Time.
Come on down on Nova Road in Daytona. Beautiful place. Thanks for letting us take a look at it. Let me look at the neons in here. This is the bike corral, huh?
Yeah.
Cool bikes, huh?
Did you have one of these shifter Schwinn's?
I remember
Stick shift?
friends having those, but I didn't have one with a shifter.
Oh, no.
No.
They look too tiny. Were
You were
kids that small back then?
Yes. Pea picker,
What is it? Pea
lemon
picker.
peeler, pea picker, apple karate, orange oh crap. Not
Orange crate.
Schwinn. What's this one?
This one's the cotton picker.
Cotton picker. I didn't know they had names like that.
Dang,
Oh, that's-
racist names.
That's cool.
Yeah, pretty cool spot.
Super V.
Yeah, I like them. I like the Super V best.
Hemi.
I don't care about Hemi. I don't have a Hemi.
You should have.
If I did get a Hemi, I'd probably love that one. Ooh, I like that sign. Okay. There you go. This is Hanksters. Come on in and buy a car. They got cool stuff in here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. $229. It's a little shelf. You see the glass on top?
Yeah, I see it. Looks like it takes batteries. Probably the lights flash.
Oh, I bet you're right. Oh, that's pretty neat. This stencil. Look at this. That's probably.
yeah.
Oh, nope. That's just a wire form. But man, that's tough.
There's one in the bathroom. Smaller one.
That's really neat. You need a Ford Mustang sign? I think you have that big one, don't you?
Yeah. No, I don't need any.
Need a Golf? $29.
Yeah, those are cool bikes.
I had one like this. Paper route, man.
Yeah.
They don't have your what's your gas station that you worked at as a
Oh,
kid?
blue and white.
Blue and white, yeah, no blue and white.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna get me a t-shirt and we'll get out of here.
Okay.